Hi, I'm Carl from CJH Projects.
And I'm Dawn from Design and Interiors. And what an incredible project this has been to work on. I sat down with the client to take the brief, and that was to really connect the interior to the exterior, open up the spaces, and create more of a flow and a better feel for it. I'll never forget the client's face when I suggested flipping the kitchen with the living room. That was interesting.
Yeah, it really was. When we sat down and saw the plans, and realised the extent of the project and that we had to pretty much demolish the whole back of the house. We even had an excavator in the lounge. But all in all, it's been an absolutely amazing project to work on.
It has been amazing. Take a look for yourself.
Got stoned, I'm in love. I won't give it to nobody else. I won't let anybody. Really feels like a trauma. I got stoned, I'm in love. I won't give it to nobody else. I won't let anybody